Hello there, what is up? If you want to learn how to get a nice return on your investment, check this video out. Hello, what is up? Kamal over here. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and activating the bell next to it so you wouldn't miss my future videos. In my channel, I will be publishing and then I'm having tons of videos how to make money online in different ways, mainly long-term investment, doing Forex trading on autopilot. That's what this video is about. A part of this, I have other side hustles, how to make money online doing them, and different digital and physical product reviews, mainly digital product reviews. So if all these interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video with whoever is interested in this sort of videos. If I don't know if you're already subscribed to my channel, if not, I've started using a premium you call or I call bot, Forex trading bot, or expert advisor, or they call EA advisor, whatever the term is, indicating some sort of automated system actually on your behalf, trades on autopilot. It's not 24/7 because actually market is open every weekday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So that brings us to 5 days, meaning like weekends actually literally the bot doesn't work for you. And the bot I use is Sketflix diamond version, which is super powerful. And the unique thing about it is I'm showing you the results over here, guys. Well, don't see the number, so basically number is totally depending on the balance you have, the deposit you put, and it's just that. But if you pay attention to the number of like winning rate, how many winning rates I have, and then percentage of the success of the bot, you will find out how powerful this unique bot is. Showing that this is my live account. I'm having this updates once a while, maybe once a week, or once every 2 weeks, or once a month. I want to keep documenting my own totally 100% automated Forex trading journey on my channel, assuring you guys, or whoever is interested in making money doing Forex, especially automated, because again I keep saying this every time I come up with this kind of Forex trading sort of videos. Trading manually on Forex is really hard. It is hard, and then you have to dedicate yourself. You're gonna put a lot of times and looking at these charts, whether it goes down, up, but it can be super profitable. At the same time, parallelly it can be absolutely risky, meaning you could just lose a lot of money. You try to make more money up. With all these being said, all the hustle and stuff, I started I look at it as long-term investment. I'm not saying, oh okay, I made, let's say what I made. I believe this is $90. I'm gonna go in a second and then calculate and figure out, is it really $90 or is it 61? Because again, I'm not that professional. I'm not really familiar with Forex and trading Forex. That's why I decided to listen to my friend who developed this bot and constantly looking after it. By the way, if you wanted to check the bot and then get in touch, start using this bot with a special discount, I make sure you're gonna get there would be a link to my Telegram channel that's specifically made for you guys who is interested in using this bot to reach out to me and actually show interest, talk to me, and I would definitely make sure would get you a great discount for the subscription of this bot. Just all I'm doing, showing you guys, or just documenting my journey on my channel, how this bot is doing. And again, I'm looking at it as a long-term investment rather than just making money short time kind of machine for myself. Or let's say I'm gonna make, I don't know, $100 a day. Well, I could do well more than that. Again, everything goes back to how much money you have as deposit. Where is it? As deposit. If this was 5,000 or 50,000, 500,000, definitely guys, this number would be much more than what it is now. Or the profits on daily basis, you would see much more than what it is now. Anyway, the point is, I'm recording myself, documenting my journey, kind of building my portfolio, showing you guys as history. I'm not, I'm not faking anything up. This is MT4. They call MT4 platform, and this is my live account. I have multiple accounts. Obviously, this is one. This one is the only live at the moment I'm doing, because I totally trust this bot. As you show, as it says over here, it shows everything about it. I mean, as much as the platform shows actually. So I'm gonna get more of these guys. Okay. And yeah, so it will be down to you if you wanted to start using this bot. I believe it has a couple of days kind of free trial. I mean, you try it. If you didn't make any sort of profit, if you got let's say if you use it for 3 days and 2 days you got profit, you were in profit, and 1 day you were in loss, but actually because you're in more profit, so overall over that 3 days period you were in profit, probably you wouldn't have the right to get the refund back. But if overall you were in loss and the bot didn't really meet your ideal and actually target being profitable, you want to make money, I guess that's why you're watching my video now. And if that wasn't gonna happen, you definitely can get refund and then have your money back. But I assure you, that's why I'm documenting my journey on my account, my live account, and I'll show you how it is. So if we do the calculator, yeah, so just want to show you as it is. To be honest, I love making YouTube videos and videos of myself, whatever I do, the action I take, the task I go through, to be some kind of to be used as a value, to be used kind of a free source for you guys. So hopefully it will solve some of your tiny issues, and that's what my aim is, to be honest. And let's say, so I'm gonna count it from 3rd of March, obviously, as it says 3rd of March, 5th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 12th, 15th, 16th, 17th. I believe today is 7th, isn't it? I don't have calendar over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9. You see, guys, all profit. You see, all profit. I tried all my best to get the whole of my account history, but for some reason I cannot do it really. I don't know how I can do it. But as much as I am familiar, as much as I can get off things from this MTA platform, it shows over here. So all of these trades are, guys, winning. I mean, actually they won, and let's add them up and then see what actually totally hands-free. You might find some semi-automatic, or I don't know, fully automated, sort of, EA system actually automates for you if you could find a generous and powerful one. There are tons of, EA, out there, but to be honest, I couldn't find anyone as powerful as this one. But actually it's unique because, as I said to you, it only open one position at a time. That's why it's super unique. And then rather than just quantity, they say, my friend worked hard and then actually constantly working on the let's say quality. In this term, quality calculates to like translates to power and accuracy, how accurate your only single trade would be. As this case shows, 100% of them won, guys. You see, 100%. So I'm gonna add them up and then you will see how much I've made so far, completely autopilot, without me doing anything. Remember, let's add the things up. Let's say 760 plus 712 plus 712 again. Oh no. So let's add them up. 760 plus 712 plus 712 again. 720 plus 744 plus 704 plus 720, and we got two more, 810 and then 819 plus 819. So it's 67. It shows 67, and then probably there've been some stuff. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna run what he says over here. So $61 so far. For some reason, if you just disregard, let's say 1, 2, 3, just go with with a round number like 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 multiply 7. That's 49. So 49 plus 16. Yeah. So there must be commission and stuff. Anyway, remember your broker actually takes commission and stuff out of your account. Anyway, so initially you saw, guys, actually the bot made me 67. Just wanted to be more accurate and more precise, but that's why I wanted to add them up again. So it was nearly 67, and then actually I ended up with having 61 so far. Anyway, that's why it shows. Anyway, even 61 or 65 or 67, the point is this bot is winning 100% of time, guys. You see, guys, win. This swap is, I believe so, again, I'm educating myself in terms of learning the terms of trading. So swap is the fee, actually one of your, or any open to the position remains on for a couple of hours or a couple of days. That's much I understood so far. So the fee, the broker will charge you if your, let's say, particular position is open too long for like kind of a couple of hours or a couple of days. That's why this swap fee is indicating over here. So that shows this position was open a bit longer, this one also. The rest of them had no swap fees applied to them, and yeah, so they take their position, they take their commission and their fees anyway. But you're not gonna be worried about how much, especially if your brokerage is trusted and regulated. You're not gonna be worried about if they're gonna overcharge you or they're gonna scam you or whatever, but there are, scammer kind of, brokerages over there. You got to be careful. So there are tons of videos on YouTube and tons of articles on Google you can check out and then see what would be the best brokerage for your specific countries, because some of these brokerage may not work in a specific country or vice versa. So but in my case I'm using IC Market. So far they've been they prove so far they're just cool, they're just great, and they don't have an issue. I haven't got an issue with them. My deposits would be deposited instantly, and as I said, or you may haven't watched my previous videos and you may be new kind of watcher or viewer of my video now, but if you check my cards over here, I'm gonna leave the previous videos. Honestly, the point of this account being a small account as well, so I'm not hiding anything, I'm just showing what it is. So point of this account is to grow it, and as I see it as long-term investment. I'm not seeing it as actual trading account, which let's say like day traders, I'd be withdrawing money, let's say every day or every week or every month. I'm not gonna touch it. In addition to that, I'm gonna kind of drop feed it, and then just look after the compounding aspect of it. So that compounding, like snowball effect, is gonna get bigger and then get bigger, actually get much more boost to my account and the balance, and obviously the numbers you would see in future if you subscribe to my channel now, and then keep updated with my videos. You will see to hopefully increase. So far this spot has been great. That's why I definitely recommend it to you guys, whoever is watching this video and is interested in making money on autopilot. Either up to you. So you can look at it as long-term high return kind of investment strategy or method or system, whatever you call it. Or you can, if you come up with much bigger balance and capital, you can count it as automated trading system for you. It's just so powerful. You see, guys, it just keeps winning me trades. Again, remember, it doesn't mess up with your account, because at some point I was trying to make my own trading bot. Then my friend said, because of this and because of that system you were gonna build your let's say bot would lack of this and that and this and that. So I really quit on doing that, because the way he's doing it is just super difficult, and then he being IT engineer and then a programming guy and coding guy, even for him is super difficult and super tedious task coming up with such amazing bot, because over time he improved it and got it to this point. To be honest, it wasn't this profitable, it wasn't this powerful. I mean, we tested out and then we failed, we tested out, he actually tested out, because it's him behind it. He tested out and then it failed. But now at this stage, you see, from like, as I said to you guys, for some reason I cannot go back to last month and 2 months ago. I could show even more history over here, but for some reason honestly I figured out how I can go back. I could have shown you, but I will try to sort that out for next videos. Remember, stay subscribed so you wouldn't miss my video about that. I would find out how I can go even further, show you longer history of how this beautiful bot is working. Remember, it just opened one position at a time. Let's say it opens it and then it might go to, let's say, minus. Instead of when they say this graph, for example, goes up, they say buy. So I was trying to make sure if the term was, if it turns trend was upward, you're gonna buy from here. So when it reach over here, you're gonna, you know, make profit. Then downward, you're gonna actually start, you know, like you have to, you know, put your position down over here. When it's downward, you're gonna end up with, you know, profit anyway. So that's what it says. But sometimes you will see while using this, you will see, so it goes up and then all of a sudden it's market, you don't know really, you cannot 100% predict what is going on. It might drop down, it might be a drop down, and then you will see, oh, so you would be in like 5, let's say, based on my size and my, you know, capital size and the lot size. You see the lot size, wherever the, yeah, lot size, it says, yeah, lot size as well, I noticed, so started, you know, increasing as well. It's just amazing, you know, this snowball and this, you know, trading would be compounding effects. Is just amazing. Everything increases gently and gradually. It's just amazing. The lot size increases, the profit increases, and it's just amazing. You're gonna get those sweet increase if you have a great bot in place like this. Anyway, so sometimes I see. A position goes like as a trend, you know, this trend drops down. So imagine over here it was set on buy. When the trend drops, you're gonna shift. You're gonna see a shift from, let's say, like $5 to minus $15, and then you're gonna be freaked out. Oh man, what is going on? I'm gonna lose whatever, $15 or $1,500, I don't know, whatever the amount will be down to, you know, depending on your capital size. Then my friend told me tons of times. He told me tons of times actually, till I realized I shouldn't really mess with whatever position is opened by the bot. So either you're gonna use the bot, let the bot to do whatever it knows based on the algorithm defined for it. Because it's just so complicated, you know, so complicated. It has what's they saying, artificial intelligence or whatever. So it knows what it does actually. So you have to trust it. As I've trusted it, and then I let it do what it knows it's right. So just don't be freaked out, and then don't interrupt it. Let's say you see a drop down and then, oh my god, it's gonna lose it. So I'm gonna stop the losing, or actually prevent losing, you know, losing much more than what it's gonna lose. No. I've done it a few times. Let's say it was again a buy position over here, and then I thought it's gonna buy, and then that's it. So it's gonna make me much more money anyway. Then at halfway, let's say over here, drop. And then I freaked out and I scared. I said, oh man, I'm gonna stop it over here instead of, let's say, I'm gonna stop it over here, let's say, till comparing if it was dropping all the way here, for example. Then I realized, he said as well, my friend said, don't mess with it, because that's why it's so powerful. It might take a couple of hours to, you know, closing your position, but then the accuracy is 100%, as you see over here. Trust it, and then don't lose your trust in it. Then after that time, I stopped 100% messing with my bot and with my account. I just left this account for the bot 100% without me interrupting it. Then I saw these results, so proving, don't mess with the bot, just let it does the job, trust it, and then actually you can feed it as much as you can, because the return would be absolutely depending on the balance size you have, guys. Imagine just you know, coming through the things and then actually experiencing things the way I think is, you know, the best way. This video might be a bit longer, but wanted to once in a while give you an overview how this bot work, and then what's potential of making money if you wanted to, you know, choose this bot and then let it run on 100% autopilot. Guys, 100% autopilot. Can you imagine that? Isn't that passive? Imagine I was asleep like this morning around 6 a.m. I checked my what was it? I checked this position, and then it was around, I believe it was around -3 or -5. Remember about this kind of, not missing stuff I was talking about? It was in -3. And then it was around 9 a.m. I checked it, 8:19. Isn't that passive? That's why my channel called, what you call? I forgot. Passive Money by Kawan. That's why. So I'm obsessed with any passive idea or any idea which actually make you money passively. Let's put it that way. So this is one of them. Tiny, gradually, but I'm happy because I'm not doing anything. Time to time, whatever let's say amount I kind of don't need really. Not gonna impact my life, day-to-day life, and my expenses really. Feed it. And then over time, as I said, long term, I will see what will happen. That's why I'm recording my journey and documenting it. Again, I was talking about the the number and then actually the estimate of let's say profit to be generated with this. Imagine this is 500, let's say 18. Let's call it 520. So if this was 1020, just today alone, because remember the profit wouldn't stay the same, so the number wouldn't stay the same, increases over time, but gradually. One thing over here is you have to be paying, really conscious about. At past, if you watch some of my videos, if not, I try to get the history back. So at past, he told me like, don't be greedy. Don't say, oh, you want to get rich quick. Let's say, don't say, let's say you want to put like 25% of your capital. That's how I understood him. Honestly, by day to day, I couldn't really understand him what he means by like 25% or 20% or anyhow. So I just got it as don't risk 25% of your, let's say, lot size. I put in that perspective because I don't think it's capital size. I asked him so many times that's why I really can not figure out what he really means. But as much as I remember, he meant like lot size. Don't go greedy on your lot size. Okay, gradual increase it. Don't say okay. Because he back tested this bot for 10 years, more than 10 years, like I don't know, 15 years, 20 years, yeah, it was like even 15 years. So he back tested it for 15 years back to see how many times it failed, how much it failed. Let's say by initial deposit of 1,000, and then he even forward tested it. I don't know how he did that, but it's just behind the bot anyway. He knows better than anyone how the bot is working. That's why he said, look, don't go 25. 25 maybe give you a really massive boost in your investment. Let's say it might make you, let's say 3,000 in 1 week, or let's say in 1 month. Then next month it's gonna wipe your balance out. It's gonna blow your balance out. That's why he said, no, if you keep it below 20, like 20% race, you're gonna have super high winning rate for long term, sustainable. That's what you want. You want be profitable over long term for as long as kind of, let's say, bot is working for months to come, for years to come. That's what you want. That's what everyone wants, don't you? So for that reason, he said keep it below 20. So now my bot and his other clients' bots are set to 18%, not even 20, to be much more safer. Because again, no matter what, Forex and trading is risky. If it's trading cryptocurrencies or Forex or stock, risky. But again, in this risky field, you see the results I'm getting with this 100%, bam, 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 100%. You see 100% profit. Can you see any minus? No, all positive, meaning profit. For that reason, if you keep it below 20% of your lot size, again, it's not your capital, okay? It's just so, well structured kind of, strategy this bot is using. I don't know what it is. I wish I could, because I would try to, kind of clone and then adjust the things of mine, strategy of mine, and then let's say I would have said, okay, I want a multiple position to be open a day rather than just one. He said no. Anyway, so imagine this was like 1,000. The first day you would make $16. Guaranteed. I guarantee, based on what I see, based on what I experimented so far. First day 16 would be added to your account as profit. Remember, just one position a day. And second day, it would take $1,016, and then actually make around maybe 17. It just increases. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. It will increase over time, so it wouldn't be the same number. You see, tiny increase. Look, this was yesterday. So yesterday made me $8.10. Today $8.19. Over time increases. That tiny increase adds up. Believe me, guys. You might not really notice it now, but adds up. You see, guys. You just see. So for that reason, it just came down, go up, came down. But overall, it goes up. So over here, I added $30. As I said, once in a while I just feed it. That makes up. Anyway, so I talked a lot, guys. I know, I don't know if I should have talked so far or no, but just wanted to give you an idea of what you could do with this. Great. But if you wanted to, get your hands over this bot and actually use it for your own benefit and see it as long-term investment strategy, or let's say if you had a much bigger capital to invest and treat it as kind of actual trading bot, which you could, let's say, withdraw money every week or every month, then reach out to me. The link to this bot actually would be in description, the first link in description, and then you can reach out to me, and then definitely I make sure I get a great discount from my friend, because that's his bot. He's looking after it. As you see, results are great, 100% win rate so far. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Activate the bell next to it, and comment below it, I'm subscribed, so I would know you guys subscribe. I want to get you guys engaged with my content and actually see what you think about this bot. What do you think about the way I deliver? If you notice, my channel is newer here, so I try to build a great community about people who are after passive ways of making money online. With this being one of the really passive ways, because actually the good thing about trading, that's what I always say, you deal with money directly. So it's not like affiliate marketing. You have to wish somebody buys something, so you would make some commission out of them, or it's about selling your own product. So in order to make money by selling, you have to get someone convinced about your product, so you sell and then make money. It's not drop shipping. Again, everything would be that. But with this one, you just need to grab a fraction of monies, around $5 trillion, saying yearly or daily, I don't know the term, whether it's even yearly, $5 trillion. You would want to just get a small fraction of that money, just by knowing how to trade the market, and then be accurate as much as possible. When to sell, how much to sell, how to sell, when to buy, how much to buy, how to buy. That's all about it. So for that, if you have a great full 100% automated system doing all this, and then getting all the hassle away from you, just imagine trading manually. It's so stressful. I've been trying it on demo, demo account. So demo is just fake money. Some people use paper money. So it's actually fake money. You cannot really withdraw the money you be making on. So it's just you can set it up on like whatever amount you want. You can even set it on $1 million. I don't know if actually you can do that, but I think till 10,000 or 100,000 you can do on IC market. But it's fake. Even on that, I get stress. Oh, it's gonna go down or it's gonna go up. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. For that, if you want to have totally hassle-free, trusted, powerful system to trade on your behalf, absolutely 100% with 100% winning rate, this is the way to go. If you wanted to grab your hands on it, reach out to me with the first link goes to my Telegram channel over there. Reach out to me and then I get you a great discount so you can start automatically, passively generating money from Forex market. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. So comment below and subscribe, and also ask me any question, give me any opinion of your choice, whatever you think is gonna improve my kind of deliverability, the way I deliver my content, the way I talk, the way I approach things, the way I record screen or whatever. Give me your opinion. With that said, I will see you next one. Bye.